So, having buzzed around the garden and got a feel for how you can move, where would you like to set the flowers out?
I feel like we should put the vegetables in the middle.
And what, I'll put this, maybe I'll put these ones in this corner. Do you want to spread them out, or have you got some more?
The marigolds could be here, like all the flowers on the edge and the vegetables in the middle.
Aha! So flowers on the edge and veggies in the middle. Yeah. That way the bees will just be going like a bouncing ball around the inside and the outside. Okay, and then we've got lettuce and we've got capsicum, and then, you know, we can always have a cucumber, and the cucumber can fall out and grow over the ground. What do you think?
Yeah.
And you can put some more lettuce in there. And that way it's all mixed up. That's a good plan. What do you think?
Yeah. Very good.
You happy?
Yeah. Because all the bees will bounce and then they'll see them and then have a little piece of that and 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 that. Yeah.
So what you've done here is really site planning. So this is what farmers do. This is what gardeners do. This is what market gardeners do. And what it does is give you an understanding of how you can bring the valuable pollinators to your patch. And so if your patch is a big farm, fine. If it's a barrel, well, it's just the same. Do you get how it works?
Yeah.